Hi everyone, Marco here. Today I'm going to show you our voice call features and how to get the most out of it in order to provide the best support to your customers. Let's get started. So once in FROGED's homepage, I can see all the incoming calls from the top right menu, and I can decide either to attend the call or to reject it. Let's attend it. And now I'm in conversations with the customer. And once the call is ended, if I click to more details, I will be redirected to the conversation with the customer. And let's minimize it. And now I will be able to see the voice call recording inside of the conversation with the customer, and I can listen again to the recording just by clicking on play. Then if I go back to the home page and check the voice call settings, I can go directly to the call history and see the list of calls that I've received in the inbox. For example, this one from Paul Hamster, and I can decide to call him back, listen to recording, or view new details. Let's decide to call him back again. And now I'm in call with Paul Hamster, and I can decide to dial internal codes if needed. I can mute the conversation. Then I can put the conversation on hold. Also, I can transfer a call to another agent, for example, to Giacinti. And once I click on transfer, the conversation will be transferred to the other agent. And once I click finish, I will be out of office hours. And if I want to find the recording of the conversation with the customer, I will just have to go to call history and click on listen to recording, and I will be redirected to the conversation, and the recording will be highlighted with a green limelight tone. And I will also be able to see more recent recordings. Then if I wish to see the list of the agent and their status, I will just have to go back to the menu and go to agent list, and I will be able to see all the agents that are on and the ones that are off. Then I can see the full call history here and the live calls, namely the agents that are on call right now. And once I finish my job, I can put myself in off, and in that case, I will no longer be able to receive inbound calls. Thank you for your attention.